Hey guys, today we're making a ghostly cat teaser. This is going to be great fun for your cat, and you can make it even more exciting by adding in a little bit of catnip. To start, take your two pieces of fabric and lay them one on top of the other. Then, with your pencil, lightly draw the outline of a ghost shape. Use your fabric scissors to carefully cut out the two shapes. Separate the two pieces, and on one side you can start stitching in the ghost's face. Once you're happy with the way it looks, place the two pieces of fabric back together, making sure the face is facing down. Take a small strip of fabric in the same colour and fold it in half to make a loop. Place this between the two pieces of ghost-shaped fabric, making sure the loop is on the inside, with the two ends hanging out over the edge. Sew the pieces of fabric together, making sure you leave a small gap. Then cut away any excess fabric without cutting into the stitches. Use the hole that you left to turn the ghost inside out. This is going to hide those stitches and make it look much neater. Then you want to fill that hole with stuffing, and if you're going to be using catnip, you'll also want to add that in at this point. Finish the ghost by stitching up the hole. Holding the stick in one hand, wrap your string around it several times, tying the two pieces at the end to keep it in place. Take the other end of the string and thread this through the loop on top of your ghost. Once again, tie it in a knot. Your cat teaser is complete and ready to be played with. This thing has been pulling at the hairs on my hand literally this whole video. Oh my goodness, that hurts. Ah ha 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 ha. And that's why you don't put latex on your hairy bits.